Welcome to my channel. LINKSYS AC1000 E5350 Initial Setup and Config. 1. Unbox and power on. Unbox the router and take out the power adapter and cable. Place the router in an open area for better Wi-Fi signals and plug it into power. Turn the router on. 2. Connect the internet cable. Take the internet cable coming from your modem, ISP, and plug it into the yellow internet port on the router. Do not use the other LAN ports for this step. 3. Wait for LED lights. Allow the router to boot up. The lights will blink and then turn stable. This may take 1 to 2 minutes. 4. Connect to default Wi-Fi. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone or laptop. Find the default Wi-Fi name mentioned on the sticker below the router. Connect using the default password written there. 5. Open the setup page. Open your web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari. In the address bar, type 192.168.1.1. Press Enter. This will open the LINKSYS Smart Setup page. 6. Start Smart Setup Wizard. Click Start, next to begin automatic setup. The router will detect your internet connection. 7. Set a new Wi-Fi name, SSID. Create your own Wi-Fi name for easy identification. Example, Home Wi-Fi, LINKSYS_house, my network. 8. Create a strong Wi-Fi password. Set a strong Wi-Fi password to protect your network. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Example, home at 2025. 9. Set admin password. Create a password for router login settings, different from Wi-Fi password. This prevents others from changing your router settings. 10. Save and reconnect. Click Save, Finish. Your router will restart. Reconnect your phone, laptop to the Wi-Fi using your new Wi-Fi name and password. Thank you for watching.